New model automatic rotary cashew shelling machine. The newest model Vietnam cashew shelling machine is working cutting base on rotary mechanism driven by a reducer. The gears do not use a transmission chain to help the machine run high capacity, high efficiency, easy to operate and save maintenance time. High capacity and high performance. Capacity from 600 to 1,200 kilograms. Machine. Broken rate less than 5%. Shelling rate greater than 95%. Uncutted and unscooped less than 5%. Suitable for cashew nut processing factories with large capacity of 50 to 200 tons per day. Rotary Cashew Shelling Machine is the latest invention and is patented on March 28, 2023. Patent number 35539 and Mekong Tech Group as exclusive distributor. For more information, please contact with us. Email: salesmktech@gmail.com. WhatsApp: +84907668850.